Here we have a 21 plate Mercedes-Benz GLC 300D 4MATIC AMG line Premium Plus. Now this vehicle comes with the 20-inch gloss black alloy wheels, all of which are in excellent condition and unmarked. We do also have the polar white metallic paintwork, LED headlights, got the Pan America front grille and the black Mercedes badge in the centre. And there's a look at that front end. Coming around to the passenger side, you'll find the second alloy wheel again in excellent condition just down here. We do also have the side steps along the bottom, which makes it easier to get in and out of the vehicle. We then have colour-coded door handles and door mirrors, black trim around the windows, with the privacy glass at the rear. Up top you'll find the glass sunroof that's currently on a tilt as it's raining lightly, but can also slide all the way open. We also have the gloss black rear spoiler sitting nice and aggressively. There's a look at the third alloy wheel. And then we also have the 360-degree cameras with parking sensors and the visual display inside. Rear diffuser at the back. We also have the power-operated tailgate. Press the button here on the remote and you find the boot will open just like so. Now inside of here you can see we have plenty of space whatever you may need. We do have the partial shelf at the top. We also have a storage net there on the left, 12-volt connectivity and also hooks either side inside of here. Coming back out we also have a handle on the right along with the button. Press the button and the boot will close again just like so. Now making our way back round to the driver's side, you'll find the vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches. So if we take a look now at the interior, inside of the back first you'll find the full black leather seats, got the foldable armrest in the centre and fixed ISO points as well back here. We do have the grey stitching. Vents down here with the climate control for the rear passengers. We also have the AMG floor mats. On the doors you've got the wooden effect trim, premium BEMS sound system and also electric windows. Taking a look at the front you'll find the same leather seats with the grey stitching. Let's look at the passenger seat and also the driver's seat. Both front seats are electrically adjustable with the memory functions and they're also both heated, controlled just here on the doors. Again, BEMS sound system, electric mirrors and electric windows with child lock for the rear. Automatic lights just down here. We then have the flat bottomed multifunctional steering wheel which is also electrically adjustable. There's a look at the sunroof as well from the inside. Let's just take a seat inside and you'll find the digital dashboard in front of us. If you put a foot on the brake, press the start button, then the vehicle will start up. Let's turn the volume down. You can see we also have the phone connectivity buttons there on the left, along with the paddle shifters either side, cruise control and speedometer there on the right. Digital dashboard, it's free from any warning lights. Also has plenty of different features on here. As you can see, you can scroll through the trip computer, navigation, radio, plenty of different features. You can also change the design. It's currently set to sport. If you go to classic, you can see it would change just like so, all controlled using this side of the steering wheel. We then have the main infotainment screen in the centre. Now if any of these screens or lights are flickering, it's just the camera, they're not flickering in real life, so nothing to worry about. It's currently showing the sat nav, but we do have the other buttons down here. Click onto radio, you've got the radio stations, we also have the media options and the Bluetooth phone connectivity as well for phone calls. Then if you go onto the main menu, we can scroll through the other features quickly, just like so. Onto comfort and you find the ambient lighting, plenty of colours to go through, it looks really nice at night time. Scrolling further across, go over to the apps, you'll find the Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Further down from there, again we've got the wooden effect trim, the vents, dual zone climate control for the front passengers, ice cold air conditioning just there as well. Further down you'll also find some storage space inside of here with the cup holders and a Type-C USB port. Got the touchpad for the screen along with the switch for the different drive modes. You'll find Eco, Comfort, Sport, Sport Plus and also Individual. Let's leave it in Comfort for now. Putting the car into reverse, you'll also find the reverse camera with the 360 view. We can go through each individual camera and as you can see all of the angles work just as you would expect them to. Putting it back into park and then finally we have the leather armrest just here in the centre which can be opened up for extra storage. That's all I'm going to show you guys today though. If you'd like to find out more, please check out the website. This vehicle comes with a fresh service, fresh MOT and free nationwide delivery. Thank you for watching. Video test drive of this Mercedes-Benz GLC 300D 4MATIC AMG line Premium Plus. Now the purpose of the video test drive is to show the vehicle that drives as you expect it to. As you can see, I'm going to fire it with the steering wheel to keep it in a straight line, not veering off to the left or to the right hand side, staying straight and true. Now we do have the multifunction steering wheel, which has the paddle shifters either side, so if you want to take the car into manual mode, simply tap on the paddles to change gear. We also have the volume buttons and phone connectivity here on the left, speed button and the cruise control on the right. Digital dashboard in front of us as well, which can show with different features and displays that you would have seen in the walk around video. If you do listen carefully throughout the video test drive, you'll also notice you'll be free from any unwanted knocks or bangs. We do have the premium MERCEDES sound system, which really does sound incredible. Full leather seats as well throughout the vehicle, which are really comfortable. You could easily do 2, 3, within 400 miles in this vehicle, and still get out feeling fresh. Both front seats are also heated, which is perfect for them cold winter mornings. Now we do have many more features on the interior of the vehicle. We've got the glass sunroof just up there, nice wooden effect trim which runs all throughout, really makes the interior a nice place to be. We then have the main infotainment screen that's currently showing the sat nav, but plenty more features on there, again you would have seen on the photos. Automatic gearbox as well, which is really smooth going through all the gears, along with having the different drive modes. Now we are about to take a right hand turn, so we've got our right indicator on. We're going to slow down, take a right hand turn onto the industrial park, and it will perform emergency stop now in 3, 2 and 1. Pad onto the brakes, put the car into reverse, got the reverse camera 360 view, back into drive, change to the front facing camera with no issues whatsoever. Now if this video hasn't answered all your questions, then please feel free to get in contact with our sales team where they can answer all unanswered questions along with running for some inquiries with you. That's all from me today though. Cheers.